Do you want to know how you can log into your NIBL Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account which is on NIBL. So, to make it more clear, I want to teach you how you can log into your NIBL Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for NIBL Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of NIBL Mutual Fund. You can see you can log in using your username. Go ahead and write down your username in this box. Write down your password. You can check your password by clicking on this icon and then click login. This way you can log into your NIBL Mutual Fund account. If in case you have forgotten your password or username, you can click on this link and recover your password and your username quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your NIBL Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.